Good morning, it's Saturday and I decided to sleep in. It feels so good to wake up feeling refreshed on the weekend after a long week. I woke up and made my bed and my cats are hungry, so let me feed them first before I start my morning. I've already brushed and washed my face, so let's do my skincare. I woke up a little later today because it's the weekend and I felt like I needed the rest, but I still have a lot planned for today and I'm going to take you all along with me. Skincare is done, so let me get dressed. Cute top from Aloe and the matching leggings to that set. Just gonna quickly edge down my baby hairs. Now I'm ready to go. Now I just need to pack my gym bag and we'll be on our way. Hi, babies. Oh my god, you guys are so cute. So I'm heading to the gym right now. I'll probably do like an incline walk and some weightlifting, but after the gym I'm going to take you all to Whole Foods. I need to get a couple things that I didn't get yesterday, and so after the gym we'll go ahead and we'll do that. So right now let's go to the gym first and then we'll go from there. I'm at the gym. I just need to find parking. I finished my workout and I just feel so good after it. I love to work out, even if it's just for an hour, a light workout, anything, just to get my body moving because it feels so good. And I always feel so good after, like I always feel so confident. And now I can just go on with the rest of my day. Now that my workout is done, we're gonna go to Whole Foods. So I got this new juicer from Huram, the H70 juicer that I've yet to try out. They actually sent it to me as a little PR gift and I'm super, super grateful for them because I've literally wanted a juicer for so long, but I've just never gotten around to getting one. So I literally got it yesterday in the mail and I didn't get any ingredients to juice, but I really want to try it out. So we're going to go to Whole Foods. We're going to get some juicing ingredients and then I'll go home and we'll make a little juice together. got home and I took the produce out to wash it. The ingredients for this juice are kale, cilantro, mint, green apples, and jalapeno. I tried to mimic a spicy green juice I like from a cafe that I go to, so let's see how it turns out. I'm super excited to try this to make homemade juices because I honestly love juices so much, so I'm so pumped. While they're drying, I ate brunch that my friends made while I got home, so I'll repay the favor by making them a yummy juice later. I prepped my matcha midway through eating because I can't forget about my matcha, of course. My brunch was so good. It had scrambled eggs, home fries, a side of avocado, cottage cheese, and strawberry banana pancakes. Veggies are washed, juicer is set. Let's look at this little packet here. They gave a little recipe book for some juices, which is pretty cool. Throw in some mint. So cool, I'm so excited. This is where the pulp comes out. If you guys can see right here, this is where the juice is starting to form. Let's do a little taste test. Let's try it out. This is literally amazing. I was able to make a little bit for my friends to try as well. Definitely need to figure out portions better, but this juice tasted so good I can't even describe how good it was. I got this poppy sweatsuit and a little PR gift that they gave me, but it's so cute and so cozy. After showering, I journaled and planned my content and schedule for the upcoming week. So I think for the rest of the night, I'm just going to content plan and just plan my week out in general. I was thinking of going out to dinner tonight, but I think I'm just gonna stay in, grab some takeout, cuddle on the couch, and maybe put a movie on or something. But that was a little Saturday vlog in my life. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Also, if you don't follow me on TikTok and Instagram, all of my links are linked in my bio for you guys to check out. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you all have a fabulous weekend and I will see you next time.